So the kids went back to school today. They were both so excited as they were yesterday, and it went really smoothly. You know, nothing was held up, and they got right out of bed. We got right out of bed, and I'm just really excited for them. So I'm not feeling super well today, but I do have some orders to get out. Didn't go to sleep last night. My mind was racing, my heart was racing. So I was up till 2 trying to fall asleep. I started to fall asleep around 1, and then Rory got into bed with us and kind of started the whole process over. And so last I looked at the clock, it was about 2 before I fell asleep. Shall we get started on the Advent? So those of you that have not opened your Advents for me yet for October are welcome to join me. And obviously those of you that have already opened it, I hope you liked it. Yeah, it was really fun putting those together, so I'm gonna flip the camera around so that we can open day 1. Okay, so it should have looked like this when you took it out of the box. I had a couple cards. I included a recipe card for pumpkin spice waffles, and then on the back it just says thank you, and then it says if a package has a spider web, then it's a Halloween charm, and if a package or a day has a leaf stamped on it, then it will be an autumn themed charm. I tried to include a good mix because obviously November we still want to use autumnal charms sometimes, so go ahead and open it up. Okay, so the bags that I included are a fabric bag, really cute. You could reuse it for your kids trick-or-treat bag if you wanted. And then just a little stamp, my logo, some spooky stamps on it. So I tried to put them in here so that so that 1 is at the top and 13 is at the bottom. So number 1 is a spider web. So day 1 is a little spooky Franken sheep, or just a spooky sheep. So cute. So I hope you guys liked him. Okay, so those orders are done, or they're baking. So I have a 45-minute break that I can take. So I'm gonna rest a little bit. Oh, but I did get another coffee today from my Ko-Fi account. So thank you guys so much. That cheered me up a bit. I think that I miss the kids. I know I miss the kids. I'm gonna check and see if the mail has come and maybe eat a muffin. It's about 10:30. The morning is going slowly when there are not children here. I think I'm out of focus. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go knit a bit. So my new sweater came, but it's massive. It's the size that I usually get. Siri, do you mind? Do you mind? Honestly. Anyway, it's the size I usually get, but yeah, it is huge on me, so I'm trying to decide if I want to exchange it, or like Adam said, he's like, why don't you just keep it for a big, comfy, oversized sweater to wear around the house, and then you can have one that fits too. So I don't know, because the sleeves, like, I really like this style of sleeves, but they are like, it's like this much too long on me. I got the size tall because I have a pretty long torso. I don't know, I need to decide. I'm gonna go ahead and get the size that fits me, but anyway, it's really soft. I highly recommend it. Just maybe order a size down. This never happens to me. So here it is on. I think it is just too big. See how far, well, my arms are bent. It's huge. So I did go ahead and order another one, and I got really lucky because there was a sale for 50% off. So this was $44. I only paid $22 for it, so that's really nice. But yeah, I don't know. I know oversize is in style, but what, Siri? What are you doing? Do you see me in the camera?
My name's a throw up over here.
Can you hear Adam?
Gonna do it again.
Okay, I still need to decide what I'm doing.
She's a flannel kitty, that's for sure.